Hello friends, welcome back to HYD Hosting YouTube channel. Today is the 5th episode of our WordPress series. These 4 topics we have discussed in the last video. If you have missed any of these videos, you can watch in our playlist. Today we are going to discuss how to install the plugin in WordPress websites, or what are the plugins we need to install to run a blog or a business website. Okay. Today is our 5th episode. Let's begin. Before going to look in that video, I would like to say, a basic blog need to have these 10 must have WordPress plugins. In the last video we have seen how to install the contact form 7. Then one by one we will be going to look how to install and what is the use of these plugins. Today we are going to discuss this Google Analytics by Monster Insight. So we are going to our HYD hosting dashboard. Here we are going into the plugins. Here it is. Add new. Okay, we need to type here Monster Google Analytics dashboard plugin for website by Monster Insight. Today we learn how to connect our website with Google Analytics. Activate. Okay, before launching the wizard, we need to go into the Google Analytics and we need to create our account with your Gmail. Google Analytics. Okay. First from the result. Okay, we are on the dashboard of Google Analytics. Sign up for free. Account name HYD demo. Next. You need to register your website. Okay, next. Name of your website HYD demo. Then you give your URL with HTTPS. HYD demo.txt 15K. Okay. Collect the industry. Just select job and education. Select the country. Okay. Time zone. Okay. Create. Select the country. Check the box. Next, again check the box. I accept. See, message is popping up here. Success. Okay, we need to create a property here. Till now we have got in the analytics dashboard. From here we are creating a property. Properties website. Continue. Okay, it's created. Okay. Next, this is our tracking code. Okay, the same thing we need to paste in our theme panel, which we have seen in our last video. While we are customizing our theme, in the theme panel we have seen the area where we need to paste this tracking ID. But now we are going here, launch the wizard. Select, depending upon your website, business website, blog or e-commerce. I will be selecting business website. Next, connect to Monster Insight. While doing this process, make sure that you need to sign in with your Google account. Okay, while creating analytics or Google, setting up these settings or setting up your Google Search Console, you need to make sure that you need to be login here. You allow Monster Insight. See what you have created here in the analytics. It is showing here, just already selected complete connection. Finalizing authentications. Next, save and continue. Save and continue. You skip this step. Okay. Finish setup and exit wizard. See message popping up. Congratulations, you are not now connected with Monster Insight. Okay. See, it will be providing a window here so that you can track your website. You can see how is your post and pages are performing in the Google directly from your dashboard. It will be showing the sessions, page views, average duration, bounce rate, everything, every data it will be showing here. So that's all for today. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to HYD Hosting YouTube channel. Thank you.